4 simple steps to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very good starting point because it teaches the basics of internet marketing. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to sell other people's affiliate products in return for the certain portion of that sale, commission. For many who are just starting with affiliate marketing, the following tips may help you. 1. Give it some time. Nothing that is good happens overnight. Don't quit in your first week. You have to give your marketing strategy enough time to start producing the desired results. It took me 3 months to see any significant money from my first efforts. One of the most important things that you can do to assure your long-term success is not to give up too soon. 2. Spend your money wisely. There are thousands upon thousands of e-books sold today explaining how to make money on the internet. Most of them are basically explaining the same methods, so there is no need to buy each and every one of them. Also, there are all kinds online business opportunities. You must use your common sense before taking your credit card out of your wallet, or you will spend a ton of money without much to show for it. 3. Keep your day job, that is if you still have one. If you still have a day job at this point, it would be a wise decision to keep it. Don't write that resignation letter today. Just in case, if your online venture takes longer to succeed than you expected, the monthly paycheck from your day job can keep the food on the table and provide financial security for your family. 4. Learn self-discipline. Keep a tight schedule or to-do list. Free reprint articles, have some flexibility about it, but make sure you stick to it. For example, if you plan to write and submit 5 articles today, make sure you actually write 5. Taking a break every time you finish an article is okay, but you must commit to yourself to write those articles even if you have to stay up late in order to finish. Please my channel subscribe.